In this video, we are going to see that if you have already logged in into your Binance account and you have accidentally signed in with your other Gmail account and now you want to log out of this because there is no funds in here. So if you want to switch account or log out of your current account, how you can do it? It's a very straightforward process. All you have to do is just go to the Home tab at the bottom left, and on the top right, we have this 3 lines. Click on that on the top left. And once you see your username, you have the arrow key next to it. Just click on that. And from here, you will not find the logout option anywhere on the front of the screen, but on the top right, you will see this person icon or settings icon. Just click on that and we have the option to log out. It's that simple. Now we are successfully logged out. We can now successfully sign in into any of the account by just clicking on the assets button. And that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.